Alright guys, good morning. I'm Clyde Denver and welcome to another episode of First Time Casting Adventures. Man, out on the water early this morning. Trying to get that first bite this morning. I got Paul Man Bassing with me. Oh. So let's see what happens, guys. Right behind me. He caught a bass right behind me. That's great. Alright guys, you got a nicer one this time. Let me get closer to you. About 2 pounds. Hey, I ain't complaining. Let's get him back in the water and get it going again. All right, let's get this guy back in the water. Thanks, buddy. Am I recording? Yeah, I'm recording. Let's get him back in the water. All right, guys, got one more on the black 10-inch worm. Let's get him back in the water. Thanks, buddy. I appreciate that. That's a nice one, brother. Yes, sir. It's about like the one I caught over there.
Yeah.
Yeah, caught him on the worm, man. That joker sucked that worm down. I was like, oh yeah. Made old man feel good, Patrick. Yes, he did. But you know something though, man? Look how slim them guys is. Look how big their head is. They ain't feeding up too good yet. That's what it is. They trying, ain't they? All right. Let's get this little guy back in the water. Let's get him back. Well, you do got a fish on. That was crazy. Oh my goodness. Come here, buddy. Stop playing. I knew he was there, man. I knew he was there. That's why I was like, I ain't giving up on him. I knew you there. Well, I do got another one to put on the board. Thank you, sir. Thank you, thank you. I need the encouragement.